I'm Soraya Fadia Yulaleno. I'm English teacher in Al-Azhar Umuswana boarding school. School is the place that we can make a beautiful memory and the place that we can find a happiness. So let's make a good memory and create a happiness together. So let's get started.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Soraya Fadia Yulaleno. You can call me Miss Soraya. So I'm here as your English teacher. This is our first meeting, right?
Yes.
So I think we must have to know each other. Maybe I will ask your name one by one before that. But before we start our lesson today, let me ask you to pray together. How are you guys? Are you feel alright? Okay. All you guys feel a little bit hot?
Yes.
Hot, yeah.
Yes. Very.
Okay. So before we start our lesson today, I hope you guys to do the ice breaking first. Maybe can you guys stand up for a while so you will not feeling sleepy or maybe not feeling hot. Yeah. You only need to clap your hand because the ice breaking is if you're happy and you know you clap your hand. You know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know that you really want to show. If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. Okay, thank you. First, about the meaning of the time. So, this is the meaning of the time. Telling time refers to the act of communicating the current time, typically in relations to hours, minutes, and sometimes seconds, using a clock or other timekeeping device. And then, how to tell the time? There are two ways to read time. First, by using analog clock, and then second, by using digital clock. Have you guys know what the different analog and digital clock? No? Okay, so this is the difference between analog and digital clock. As you can see here, this is the analog clock who have the hand here like the traditional clock, we can say that. And then this is digital clock. Digital clock that use only the number, which is the hours and the minutes. What the difference between AM and PM? Have you guys ever heard about the AM and PM? Pernah dengar nggak AM and PM? So yeah, the difference between AM and PM is AM from midnight to noon, and then PM from noon to midnight. Each hour is made of 60 minutes. And then this is how to read the analog clock. First is this is the shorthand, we call it we call it for hour hand. If you want to know the hours of the analog clock, you can see from the shorthand, which is here. And then the minutes is the long one. The long one is that call for the minutes. And then the hand that always moving, like tak 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 always moving, it called second. Okay? The important things before we read the time, we must have to know the point things of see the time. As you can see here, have a lot of points of if you want to see the time. First is a half. You can read Indonesian here if you don't understand, yeah? And then second is the quarter, and then 2 pass a clock long hand that I said before, the long one, which is that for the minutes, and then the short hand, which is that for the hours. And then after that second hand, the one who is moving every second, and then hour, minutes, and second. Okay, before we come to practice, let me ask one of you about the difference of IM and PM. Who wants try to explain to me? Pertanyaan ulang lagi. Okay, can you tell me or can you try to explain what the difference between IM and PM?
Different IM between IM and PM is IM from midnight to noon and PM from noon to midnight.
Okay, can you give applause for me?
Good, good job. Good job.
Okay, I want to ask 2 more students. This is a simple, this is so simple question. Okay, what is the long hand and the short hand? Who wants to give an answer? Long hand and short hand. Why, please?
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, what? Yeah, it's okay. You can. So yeah, can you tell to your friends what the difference between short hand and the long hand?
Long per minute, short per hour.
Okay, can you tell? Counting time is easy, right?
Yes,
Easy,
very easy.
Easy peasy, kan?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we come to practice. I hope you guys can answer this question. I have 5 questions here. This is only A, B, C, D. You can choose the correct one. So I want to know more if you guys understand or not. So I give you guys 5 questions. So maybe later I will ask you one by one why you choose the correct one answer, and then after that with the reason. Okay?
Yes.
I will give you one by one. Okay? Easy peasy. I hope you guys can answer that. I give you guys 15 minutes. Is that enough? 15 minutes to answer this question?
Yes.
Only 5 questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you done about the practicing? Yes. Good.
Yes.
Okay, again. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask you one by one about the right answer and then with the reason. Okay?
Yes.
We start from the first number. What time is it when the clock shows 3:45? A, quarter to 3. B, quarter past 3. C, quarter to 4. D, quarter past 4. Can you give me the right one?
I can
Okay, sure.
see
Yes, C, why?
quarter to 4.
Yeah, the reason why you choose that question, that answer, sorry.
Explanation. When it's 3/4, the time is considered as a quarter to 4 because it's 15 minutes before 4 o'clock.
Okay, can you give him applause? Okay, and then next is the second one. If the Here. Okay.
Half past 11.
Okay, why?
11:30 m is expressed as half past 11 because it is 30 minutes past 11 o'clock.
Okay, can you give me my phone? You guys so smart, yeah? And then the third one, what? It's okay, it's okay, you're doing great. What time is it if the clock reads 9:20? A, 20 past 9, B, 20 to 9, C, 10 past 9, D, 10 to 9. Who can?
10.
Okay, you.
20 past 9.
Why?
When the time is 20 minutes past 9 o'clock.
Okay, can you guys next number? If the time is 2:55 p.m., how it usually say? A 5 to 3, B 5 past 3, C 3:55, D 2:55. Who can help me? Okay, you.
A 52 3.
Yeah, why you should?
At 2:55, the time is commonly expressed as 5 to 3, became 5 minutes before 3 o'clock.
Okay, can you give me the applause, please? Okay, this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. What time does the clock show if it's a 7:15? Can you give me the right one?
Again,
Okay, sure. Why?
7:15.
Yeah, why the reason?
A quarter past 7 refers to 7:15 on the clock, as it is a quarter or 15 minutes after 7 o'clock.
Okay, can you give me the applause, please? Okay, after all of you guys, thank you so much for giving me the right answer. And then, what is the important things before the time? First one? Okay, before I close the class, let me take your attendance first. Okay. Herman, where's Herman? Okay. And then Ramzi. Okay, and then Yuda, where's Yuda? And then Ria. And then Ahmad. And then Usman. And then Rido. And then Puta. And then Karisma. And then Rido, where's Rido? Before I close the class, let me tell you about the conclusion of this material first. Time is reminder for us to start something. There are two types of the time reminders. The first is analog clock, and then the second is digital clock. And also we can know the difference between AM and PM. Okay, before I close the class, I hope you guys understand how to read the time, the important point of the read the time, and then the difference between AM and PM. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy my class today. Today you guys doing great, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.